Greetings to all! Currently, we know how to create surfaces and objects with volume using lines. But this drawing process seems to be tiresome. In today's class, we are going to learn about the rectangle tool and also push and pull tool. These tools will help us to create surfaces and 3D objects very fast and easily. Now, let's get started. So, how to use rectangle tool? First, we select rectangle tool, choose a starting point, click on it with mouse, and drag the mouse out. Now we get a rectangle. Very simple. We can enter the numbers we wish into the measurement box at the right button of the Sketchup window. We need to notice that when entering more than 2 numbers, the measurements in the box, we should separate the numbers with a comma. For instance, to get a 10 by 10 square meters rectangle, we enter 10 and press the comma button on the keyboard, followed by another 10. Then we press enter to obtain a rectangle with our desired dimension. With Sketchup, while drawing a line or figures, we can click on the start points, drag the mouse out, input dimension numbers, and then press enter. Steps are same with the way we have just learned. Or we can draw a figure randomly first, then we'll input the dimensions we want. The 2 ways are alternatives and both correct. What about push and pull tools? First, we select the push and pull tool, or we can simply press the P button on the keyboard. They act in the same way. Next, we drag the mouse up. By doing so, we can see the pull function being executed. We can input a quantity we wish to pull or push into the measurement box and press enter to complete this action. Or we can pull a random height, click left mouse button, and then input the dimension. Now, here is a trick. After we end the push and pull function, we can press the Control key and execute the push and pull function again. We can see there's a parting line which indicates the original surface we draw. This additional function enables us to draw with measurements referring to the new data. Today, we learn to handle new tools that allow us to draw 3D objects. This doesn't mean that we are not going to use the lines anymore. Actually, all these tools should work together, and we will keep using them in the future. Let's stop learning for now. Goodbye.